changed your stock value and noticed different figures in your profit and loss? Let's find out how these two are connected in AutoCount.
Stock value is the last part. Because AutoCount using the formula basis, opening stock plus the purchase minus the closing stock is costing of our business. That's why this stock value we just require to capture the final amount. How to get this 2005? So you can prepare your Excel listing, item 1, 500, item 2, 1000, item 3, 500. You prepare the Excel listing and then after get the total of your stock value, we key in the total value into our system. Very simple, you just go GL stock value maintenance.
Do you want to learn more about operating AutoCount? We have several ways to help you. If you want to learn AutoCount system more systematically, we have classroom training, online training, and one-to-one teaching. But if your schedule is packed, you can also choose our e-learning courses. As long as you have time, you can log into our website and learn the AutoCount system at your convenience. But if you are not sure which option suits you best, you can message me privately and I can give you some advice. Thank you, everyone.